Microsoft Edge installation process on Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating system. Explain. Browser open Google search box లో Wise program uninstaller enter key press wisecleaner.com Wise program uninstaller first link click Wise cleaner official redirectory web page complete display Wise program uninstaller safely and completely remove Windows applications first button free download click download section లో exe setup file downloading process start file size 10.6 MB browser close desktop file explorer document open downloads folder లో exe setup file display select mouse double click Wise program installer window లో first button yes click download folder minimize setup Wise program uninstaller window లో install button click completing the Wise program uninstall setup wizard window లో middle section లో two options display click fresh to exit setup view the user guide and release logo present unnecessary left side box tick mark remove launch Wise program uninstaller second option tick mark default set finish button click Wise program uninstaller window లో first button yes click system internal installation all options verification process start installation all applications display window maximize Microsoft Edge select scroll up right side force uninstall button click warning window first button yes click uninstallation progress start wait and here few seconds third button remove click uninstalling local disk C program files x86 Microsoft Edge OK button click left side all programs window లో Microsoft Edge select name window లో two options display first one Edge relevant text changer left side box tick mark set second one Google Docs offline left side box tick mark set right side top section లో uninstall green color button click left side Internet Explorer select first one and second one two options left side box tick mark set right side top section లో uninstall click left side Metro apps option select search box లో enter Edge last one option Microsoft Edge select right side save uninstall button click next Microsoft Edge game assistant select left side box tick mark set save uninstall button click completed the Microsoft Edge browser installation window close first button not interested click desktop shortcut Wise program select open Wise program uninstaller window first button yes click remove any one application Adobe Photoshop select third button forceful uninstall button click or save uninstall click present unnecessary close desktop shortcut Microsoft Edge select open cannot open this item first button yes click